Another common technique is using inverted page table. Inverted page table, as the name suggests, are the reverse ways of working. Earlier, earlier in page table, would keep stored pages, frame numbers, and offset. When this is done, we would, when user give us page, we would search the frame combined with the offset and address. This is slightly reversed by IBM and some other manufacturers, where instead of storing those pages which have been addressed, we are now storing frames from the main memory plus offset for each frame, the page ID and page owner ID. So when you are storing, mind you, all this information goes is inverted page table, IPT. So logic is fairly simple. Instead of remembering which page is stored in which frame, now we are trying to say frame X has which page. So that's why this is called as inverted lookup table. Concept is fairly simple. From the given page ID, we will be searching. From the given page ID, we will be searching a particular entry into inverted page table, from where we'll be getting offset and the address related details, and then I'll go and access that particular location and get the data which I want to. So this process does improve in terms of addressing, but creates a hell of issue in performance, hence not very commonly followed by most of the manufacturer. So in today's lecture, we understood a lot of things, right from the page table structure, its use, the hierarchical paging, the way it has been handled, working with the hash functions, and how it can allow you to access, and finally inverted page tables and how they work. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.